not gonna change my hair. My hair is real bummy. But ugh, I love that it don't match the rest of my body. I really love it. And yeah, so also it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm tired. Big and black like me. Yeah, because I'm just like focused as fuck. I'm just so focused. What's poppin'? I'm back, and guess what? Guess what? With a makeup tutorial. Shook. Look what I got. The James Charles palette. Y'all know my little creative ass had to go and get this shit because I love color. It's fucking huge. It's the biggest palette I have. This shit is untouched. I think I got it yesterday. I have not swatched a single shadow. Like I'm a little shook. I'm a little shook. All right. If I look like I've been crying, it's because I was binging for the past 4 hours. What would you do? Like clips on YouTube, and that shit makes me cry. I'm a cancer all day, every day, baby. Like your girl is emotional. Everything makes me cry. Everything. Like I look like I've been crying. It's because I have been for 4 hours over a TV show that is staged, but it's like shit like that actually happens. So it's like my makeup Instagram, which is McCoy Fish. I haven't posted on there in 3 months, but there's some good looks on there, and I'm gonna start posting on there soon. I'm trying to really get my life. I'm really trying to get my life. Okay, so I done went and did something. Do you like it though? Do you like it? Let me know. I cannot believe I just did this. I've never done a look like this. I feel like good. Like I've never done a look like this, and it's not the best because you can't, like, I feel like when people usually do, like really good makeup artists do these looks, like you can see the blue and you can see the green, you can see the yellow. It's kind of like that, but it's a little muddy. But I'm gonna get it together for next time, just let you know. Or whatever. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take this color right here. Oh, no. I'm gonna start with this color. So I heard like placing and then blending is the way to go with this palette, so that's the way I'm gonna go. Maybe I can do better this time around. That look right. That's a look. So I'm gonna take the green. So first I originally was using this green, but then I changed over to this green. So I'm just doing the same thing for this side, just for the purpose of samey. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just for the purpose of doing the same thing. Yeah, now I gotta put over top that fucking brown I just accidentally placed. Oh my god. This is what I meant when my brushes are not clean. It's like leaving a brown like hue. Okay, we can't use that brush no more. Boy. Yeah, I just really don't like this green. Like this green is just this, it's not it. Like it's just, it was doing this in this eye and I didn't really like it, and I thought maybe, I don't know what I thought. Oh honey. Oh, she's muddy. She's muddy. Alright, so I'm taking the yellow. There's only one bright ass yellow, so I'm not gonna pick up this big old palette and show you, but I'll put the name on here maybe. So I'm just taking a yellow like right above that, ooh, right above that green. Definitely like one of the better yellows I've ever used. Maybe the best. I really like the yellow from Juvia's Place. But yes, I'm just, okay, I'm lying. I do like the yellow from Juvia's Place, but this is the best yellow. Like yellow just does not show up on my skin. One, I'm hella warm and I'm kind of yellow looking. It's like an hour later since the last step. My phone is not it. Excuse me. This is the part where I take this dark green because I didn't like the way it looked, so I'm gonna just take a little bit of the dark green and see, I just think it's a lot more pigmented than the other one. I just like this green. I just placed it. I'm gonna blend it out with the yellow again. Dark blue. This, I can't remember what it's called. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna take this on the outer portion, and basically what I do for the next few steps is just get it to a blend of the 3 colors that I like. This and some Elio Provençal, and together we're gonna make a cut crease. I think that's like the closest I can get. So I know for a fact the next step, I took the dark blue and just patted it right here and slowly like moved inward. To blend it. My eyelids sweat hella, so I feel like it's because the amount of concealer that is in my inner, like it sweats right here where they touch when I blink, like that right there. So I think it's because there's too much concealer there. So I'm just gonna flatten this shit out. Took this Lesser Dust. It's called Strobe Globe, and I put some water. Just gonna. Yes, darling. What it had on it before. Alright, add in this color, which is really pretty. Like, really, it's really pretty. Honestly, I love blues. They're my favorite shadows. But I'm just gonna take this, put it like right there, right there. Gonna take an empty finger and blend it with the shimmer. You don't want that gel to just be like harsh. And then you're gonna blend this side with the brush. Freaking glitter glue, which I had when I started this video, but I can't find it. So I used lash glue to glue on the glitter. Mists of the Mint. And this is what she looks like. I have a glitter swatch video if you really want to see what she looked like, but I have a glitter swatch video that's from like a year ago. Honey. Ooh, honey. I really like the blue. Like, this blue is really nice before you, ooh. Alright, I'm a little scared. I don't have a foundation routine. I don't know how to use foundation. I don't know how to not look cakey. I don't know. I don't know. But we gonna find out. We gonna find out. Was that a lot? Oh my god, was that a lot? Like the maddest matte I've ever like come in contact with. Alright. The issue with the forehead is my forehead is significantly darker than the rest of my face, and this is already a little too light for my regular skin, you know, my skin down here. So I'm a little scared as to how it's gonna look. My energy is on a significant low. Not gonna lie to you. Does it look bad? Does it look bad? Who am I asking? Who am I asking?
Alright. She's a try-in. The bronzer I'm using is this brown. This Zulu palette. It's my favorite thing to bronze with. Just gives you a really like lively look.
This color don't match. We haven't fixed it. Damn, I'm really like, I don't think y'all understand how shook I am looking at myself like this. Like, I'm shook. Because I don't usually do the whole lashes and the big crease. Oh, my favorite highlight, honestly, let's be honest, is this that I've hit pan on. Or these palettes is the Zulu palettes, the festival palette by Juvia's Place. And it's this Oh Dog Woo. I really apologize. I don't know how to say that. Like, I really don't. I'm sorry. I don't know where it went. Yeah, I ran out of fucking, like, look. Like, and that's supposed to be an eyeshadow. That proves you can do whatever the fuck you want with whatever the fuck you want. Oh my gosh, I look kind of good. I just wish my foundation back. Is there other steps? Am I done? Do I look ridiculous? Should I have stopped at just the eyes? Oh, lips. Oh shit. Oh, she a little broke. But this is the final look. My face doesn't match my, well, it matches my hands though. It doesn't match my chest. My chest is just so light. Like, I don't know what to do about that. Like, I don't want to get a lighter one and then I'd be ashy. You know what I'm saying? But I use a lip liner, so don't come for me. And yeah, this is the only lipstick I have. Let me go get some spray. I lied, I heard some noises. I'm not going nowhere. Merry Christmas the fuck. Alright, thanks if you made it this far. Like, you know what I always say. Thank you. I'm a little impressed. It's not the best, like, I know I'm not crazy. I'm not like, wow, that blend is the best. It's not. Honey, sweetie cheeks. It's not. And you know, with time it'll go better, but I think I really did that. I think I low-key did that, and y'all just gotta give it to me. So let me know what you really think, and stay goofy, stay popping, stay locking, stay dropping. You know what I'm saying? All right, I really don't have anything else to say to you. Goodbye. I'm just kidding. Bye.